Hi guys, it's Corey here, one part of the Forex Network team. And today I want to talk to you solely about a couple of programs that come with Imarketslive. And it's basically for those people who don't want to learn how to trade, but can also, also get income from just signals. You get them through a program called Swipe Trades and the Harmonic Scanner, and we're going to go through them later on in the slideshow. So basically, Imarketslive is a company. It's been running for 5 years. It's completely debt-free, and it pays well. It's, quite remarkable how much money they pay out to the, people who are under them. Because none of us are actually, no one's employed by Imarketslive. You're just kind of within Imarketslive. Basically, if you don't know me, I've only been trading 2 months, and it's literally changed my life. People close to me, family, friends, they know how much my income and my life is changing since I've started to trade. And it can change for anyone. Just these 2 programs alone generate enough income to support you. But I'm doing the full whack. I'm learning to trade proper, and my income's really shooting up, to the point where I'm going to be leaving my job. I'm a qualified electrician. I get paid good money now as it is, but the income from trading is greater than what I get being an electrician. So yeah, I'm going for it. Anyway, to the main point of the video, what is Forex? Forex is basically currencies that you buy, sell against each other. So for instance, your US dollar, your British pound, you do your pound against the euro, your euro against the Japanese yen, your Japanese yen against the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, all sorts. There's lots of different currencies. But you don't have to worry about that because you're getting your work done for you. It's literally a copy and paste method. Forex is open Monday to Friday, 5 days a week for 24 hours a day. It participates during the New York exchange, a London exchange, and a Tokyo session. It's a 5.3 trillion average per day market. So it is the biggest market out there. There is no the 5.3 trillion. I think the nearest one is your New York and your London markets, and they're about 4 or 5 billion a day. This is a 5.3 trillion a day market. There's so much money there to be made. And the best thing about Forex to trade, you only need internet. That is all you need, nothing else. You can trade on any device, laptop, phone, iPad, tablet, anything. As long as you've got internet connection, you can trade from anywhere in the world on any of them platforms. So the point of this video is about this program here. It's Swipe Trades. It's unbelievable. Like, for people there in 9 to 5 jobs, full day jobs, haven't got the time to learn, feel like they want the extra income, but they can't afford, to do, use their time learning how to trade. Because don't get me wrong, it is time consuming, but, I'd recommend anyone, if you do sign up to this, to take the option of teaching yourself how to trade, and not just teaching yourself from myself, other mentors, and the programs that IML give you, have on offer to you. It's amazing, honestly. It's so much. But basically, yeah, Swipe Trades, you receive trade alerts. So there'll be a video in the next slide of how it works, and you literally just copy and paste the digits that are there, and let the trade do the work for you. Roughly on average, you can make, depending how much you put on, the average per day, if you was to use a normal size, would probably be around 20 to 40 pound a day. So, do that over the course of a week. If you could earn up to 40 pound a day, which, to be honest, you could probably earn more. Wow, 40 pound a day, you're talking 200 pound extra a week. It's an extra £1,000 nearly a month. What would that do for you? So think of it as that way. No trading experience is needed. You don't need to do anything. You don't do what I do. Some of you probably see my videos analyzing graphs. You don't do that. This is already done for you. These professional traders who are putting these trades through for you from IML employ these people to do this for you. They're doing the work. You're literally just jumping on, copying what they're sending you and pasting it. Simple as. So when you get the alert, I'll play the video now for you. You'll get a swipe trade alert come through on your phone. And bear with me there. So there you can see Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. You'll click that. And as you can see there, signal is by Jay Adams. He's a top trader at IML. His signals are pretty good. More than pretty good. They're fantastic. I'm not going to lie. He's my favourite trader. So tells you there, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, entry price of the market, your stop loss, which basically is a barrier so you won't lose more than you want to. You take profits, so the profits of where they think the market can hit. So roughly, I always take a take profit too because it's a good, you're talking 50 to 100 pips. I'll get onto pips later on in the video, but for now, obviously, placing the trade is as easy as you go into MetaTrader 4, the app here I've just opened up. That's a platform you use to trade. So once you open up MetaTrader 4, you find the market. So it's right there, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. You'd select the market, click trade. Once you select trade, you click here, see, so I'm going to double check here. It's a buy limit market. So I'll select buy limit. Then I'll obviously go back onto the swipe trade alert, copy here by selecting this emblem, logo, sorry. I go back onto my MetaTrader 4. I literally clear that, hold down, select paste. That's bits done for you. Go back onto it. Your stop loss, select your stop loss again. Go into your MetaTrader 4, clear it, hold down, paste again, and take profit. Like I was saying to you there, I like to use a take profit too because most of your trades hit your take profit too. So again, copy that. Let's go on to that, and then you'd go back onto your MetaTrader 4 and you'd paste your take profit. And literally, you'd place a trade. Oh, sorry, there you go. Lot size, I've done mine to a £1 lot size. So that's because my account balance is suitable for that size of trade. There you go, trade placed. So that's a video of how easy, literally 2 minutes. You can see there, 2 minutes, 7 seconds, and that was a delayed video as well. You're talking, a minute to place a trade. That's, it's all done for you. Right, I'll mention pips. Pips basically is the value, the amount of what the trade is. So it's 1 pip equals £1 or whatever, your lot size is. So if you said there, I put £1 on. So for that month, if I was to do £1 through the whole month, and swipe trades has been superb over the last 2 months. It's hit like record highs, especially in February alone. So for last month, I earned just short of £1,500 just from swipe trades, just through copy and pasting. It's that easy. You don't do any analysis, nothing. It's given to you on a plate. So 1,497 pips. That was a record-breaking month. Sure, we could all do without a month extra. If you was to do a lot size, obviously half of that. So instead of £1, you're doing 50p. Which, to be honest, if you was to start, I'd advise everyone to do 50p, because roughly you're going to want an account. You're going to want to put into it between £250 to £500, and the 50p lot size would do you okay. So you'd still, get just short £750, which it's, with all of that, that's nice extra income on the side. So as you can see there, January, just short of 1,200 pips. Again, if you used to do the size that I'm on of £1 per pip, that's £1,200 in a month. That's, with you, for say the average person is going to earn between 1,000 to 2,000 a month. So imagine that on the side. It's a nice sum. So far in March alone, so March has been big, like really big. We've had, 1,200 pips, up to this point in March. Last week, they only cleared 150 pips, but reason being, they've had the massive convention in Las Vegas. As you may have seen me post, or if you follow other of the Forex Network or any traders within IML, you will have seen all the posts in Las Vegas. Massive convention, 5,000 plus people there, all the leaders, all the top traders. So last week was kind of slow as we were preparing for it. But, you can get by that with the amount of pips he cleared in the first 9 days, just over 1,200 pips. That's amazing. If they hadn't have had the convention, you'd probably be talking double that. 2,400 pips. Wow, just for doing nothing. That's more than my monthly income. So it's getting better and better, and they're bringing out more and more things to make the system better. So go on to the next slide now. Lot sizes. I was just talking about the lot sizes. So I said to you about doing a 50p per pip. So that would be a 0.05 lot size. I'm just trying to simple it down by doing your 10s, your ones, So obviously, for instance, if you was to do a 10p lot size, you'd place a 0.01. So if you was to do the 1,497 pips of the month of February, you'd come out with that, which is not a lot, but considering you're doing a 10p lot size, that's a really big sum. That's a great sum. And then, like I said to you there, if you built your account up to the point where you can do £1 lot sizes like myself, you would, for the month, that's what the total was. That's what we came out with. This is how simple and easy it is with swipe trades. That's just one of the many platforms that IML gives you to make money. Again, just an example. No one joining up would be up to this point. I can't even get to that point. It's too far. On average, you'd want a £10,000 account to be able to do £10 per pip. You do a 1% risk management, so 1% worth of your account, that's your risk management. So, again, if you had 10,000 in your account, some of these traders in IML who've got thousands, I'm talking, 100,000s, they are super, super rich people only through trading, and IML rewards them for that. £10 per pip, so you'd have come out with just short of £15,000 for 1 month. All the work's done for you. You don't do nothing. If I had £10,000, I'd do that. I'd be on swipe trades, putting my money into it, and I know you'd probably be a very rich man by the end of the year. So enough with swipe trades is done. It's one of my probably, if not my favorite app that IML provides you with. It's great. We like to say, for me, I'm still in work right now. Obviously, that's coming to an end. I'm going to be quitting my job and going full-time Forex because of how much money I've been making. I feel I can double it doing it full-time. Harmonic Scanner, similar to swipe trades, it does the work for you. It literally scans a market for changing, the change of pattern, market reversals, and it gives you the trajectory. Sorry, I can't even get the word out. It basically gives you, where they think the market's going to go. Gives you a stop loss, a barrier. So, again, you don't want to lose so much. Do you have a valuation of how much you'd roughly want to lose? For instance, £10, so that's a reasonable size. It's a privately owned software, again, only through IML. You have high accuracy when it comes to your trades. They literally, 80 to 90% accurate is the Harmonic Scanner's trades. They are that good. So you think of 80 to 90%. You put, 10 trades on, 8 or 9 of them are going to come in. Maybe 1 or 2 won't. But again, it's all about profits. This industry is about profits. Doesn't matter if you lose a trade. As long as you're up profit for the week, that's a win, So a little example of the Harmonic Scanner is this. So as you can see there, it trajects, it literally does the work. I've not done anything. It trajects it for you. And it tells you, again, what to put in. So you'd go into your MetaTrader, you'd lock that in right there. That's what you'd do. You'd put in your take profit 2 or whatever. If you wanted small, your first profit, take profit 1. I always like take profit 2 because most of the trades always hit take profit 2. Quite a lot going to take profit 3, but you're guaranteed with take profit 2. It's probably going to hit. That's it. That is how simple it is. Again, stop loss, you'd copy that, put that in your stop loss part. It's great. It's fantastic. These are 2 of the many features, again, that IML gives you to offer. We'll get onto the other things shortly in the video, but it's honestly, these are money-making products. If you don't believe me, contact me directly. I'll show you this stuff. It's life-changing. So how do you get started? Basically, so you'd pay for the Platinum Elite package. This here is the Platinum package. If you wanted swipe trades, you are going to need the Platinum Elite package. I know off the top of my head that the Platinum Elite package is a £180 sign-up fee, and it's £140 a month. I know it sounds quite a lot, but trust me, for the amount you get in return, it is minimal. It is these, as it says there, 425 monthly value. That is probably not even enough. I'd say you're talking 500, 600, 700 bracket for the products you get, the income that you get back off it. This is super cheap. You know, I don't think there's any other Forex traders, you know, who give you the platform out there who can match IML. It's ridiculous. So again, as I was saying, for you guys, if you know you are only wanting signals and you ain't got the time to learn how to trade, you know, I advise everyone to learn how to trade. It's changed my life in just 2 months. It's literally, and I've only learned how to trade through IML Academy. This is unbelievable. It's from basic to super advanced stages. Like I've got, I'm 2 months in, I'm over halfway through my training, and I can trade comfortably now on my own. I do my own analysis. You've seen from some of my videos, and I get some big wins, big returns. Don't get me wrong, you have your odd losses, but again, like I say, the whole objective of trading is by the end of the week, month, day, a profit. You know, that's what you want. If you're getting a profit by the end of the week, that's great. IML TV is another superb platform. Me personally, I haven't really had a lot of time to plug into IML TV. These are live trading sessions by professional traders. They are on live markets teaching you exactly how they trade. And there's, off the top of my head, there's over 20, definitely minimum of 20, traders on that channel. IML has hired the best traders out there to, our own personal use. It's great. Harmonic Scanner, we've just gone through. Daily swing trades. Chris Terry is the CEO of IML. He is the big dog. There's no one bigger than Chris Terry. He's the founder of the company, and he has been trading for over 20 years. Daily swing trades, basically, he will place you trades for the start of the week, and these are more of a long-term trading process. So when you get the elite package, you get swipe trades and web analyzer with it. So the swipe trades we've gone through. Web analyzer again analyzes a market for you. It doesn't necessarily give you your buys, but it does the rest of the work for you. From when you start trading, this gives you everything that you need to be successful. Become an IBO, an independent business owner. So you think the membership's basically, too expensive for you, then it doesn't stop there. So if you signed up to IML, and within the first month, you got 2 people to sign up, you get it for free. Wow. Like I say, in my eyes, $500-600 worth of programs you're going to get for free. These are going to make you a minimum of £1,000 a month. It's a no-brainer, 2 for free. Basically, you have a unique referral link. I've got mine. And basically, if you were to get people involved, they'd sign up under your referral link, and then obviously so on. There's no restrictions. So once you have got them 2, that is it. Your membership is completely free. This is where it gets really interesting. So if you sign one more person up, you no longer get it for free. You become a Platinum 150, where now IML begin to pay you for getting people into the company. They're rewarding you. I've done my rank of 150. I'm past that. I'm now here. I'm at P600. I've, referred over 12 people into the company. I get paid. So, sorry, I didn't mention it. You get paid weekly. So for me, it's in dollars, but I know the conversion rate because obviously I'm getting paid this weekly. I get £110 a week paid into my bank for, having referred 12 plus people over. It's took me 2 months, but it's £110. That is residual income. I will now forever, obviously until IML, obviously, for whatever sake, did some happen. While IML's still here, I'm going to be paid a minimum of £110 a week. My next rank is a Platinum 1000, and again, I'm not too far off Platinum 1000. That will go for me to £200. I think it's £210 a week. Wow. That's a nice little income on the side as well. This is without the swipe. This is separate. This is another form of income. You'd have 3 different types of income. So you'd have your trading, swipe trades, Harmonic Scanner, literally done for you. You'd have this, and then you'd have your job, whatever your daily job is. You know, you're going to be raking the money in. It's great. Doesn't just end there at Platinum 1000. So after Platinum 1000, the ranks just go up and up and up and up and up. I've met a Chairman 500. I've met one. Most humble guy I've ever met. Also, I've met a Chairman 100. Again, another humble guy. You know, Austin Godsey, Jason Brown. Look these guys up. These are earning, you know, 125,000 a week, 500,000 a month, 100,000 a month, 25,000 a week. You know, there's some of these people in IML have only been with a company, you know, 5 to 3 years, probably even, I think 3 years. Some of them have been with it. That's amazing. You may see me post about a guy called Zain Khan. He's a Chairman 50. He is the highest, you know, he's the highest rank in the whole of Europe. He earns, obviously, as you can see there, that's a magnificent sum. He, you know, and again, I've met Zain. What a humble guy. He's like, you know, you can ask him anything. These guys are, you know, they're not unapproachable. They will give you advice. They will help you out. You know, there's a lot of respect within the company for each other. Everyone started here. You know, everyone was not even there, you know, zero. Everyone started at zero. You can work your way up. You know, me, myself, I personally believe I'm going to hit Platinum 5,000 by the end of August. That's going to happen. My next, you know, my next Chairman 10, I personally believe I'm going to hit it by the end of December this year. That is going to happen. The way it's going for me and my team, we are being, you know, we're succeeding, we're winning, you know, and this can happen for any of you guys. You know, it's going places. So with IMO, what you get, you know, prestigious leadership, as I just said there, you know, these guys, the 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners now, some of them, you can speak to them, you message them directly, they reply to you. You know, they want you to succeed. They've been like me, they've started where I am, you know, and you get all your criticism, it's a scam, it's all this, it's all that, it's never going to work, you're not going to make money. Trust me, this is the best thing to ever happen to my life, and I can guarantee you it will be the best thing that ever happens to you if you do get involved and learn to trade proper. Again, all this is what you get from IML. You know, it is literally, it's fantastic. It was one big family. So yeah, that's the conclusion to the video, guys. If you're interested, like I say, this, you know, kind of mainly goes out to the people who don't want to learn to trade, but they want the extra income on the side. You know, definitely, you know, get involved. You know, message me if you want more information, or, you know, any of the social media platforms. Give us a message on any of them. Yeah, this is, it's fantastic. It's definitely changing my life. It can change your life, and, you know, get on it now, definitely, because you're either going to get it now or you'll get on it later on when you see me or other people in, you know, IML doing well. I can guarantee you that. It's easy. It's, you know, it's literally a copy and paste method. So yeah, thank you for, you know, plugging in, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and be sure to give us a message back. Yeah, thank you.